Hello there, I want to give you a quick tip about finding the rattling noise in your car. When I'm driving not only my Tesla but other cars that I own in times, I have had some rattling noise and vibrations and things that makes the sound. Now I have tried this 25 to 150 Hz audio sweep that will find your rattling noise that are annoying you when you're driving your car. Let's try it out. I don't know the sound on the phone, but it's quite fine. Warning, adjust your volume so it's not breaking your speakers or something. There I have some rattling. Yeah, some rattling about 60 to 90 hertz there. So I will try to locate that. It's very good to have YouTube in the car. You can also do it through your phone with the Bluetooth or something like that. That's it. Thank you.